Loosen the lock nut first and then loosen pressure adjusting nut so that the pressure on the spring can be reduced. After that, we will remove the case nut with the help of the special tool provided by the maker. Case nut. Remove case nut. Remove nozzle. Remove locating pin. Remove valve stop spacer. Remove spring seat. Remove spring. Remove spring guide. Remove spacer. Remove locating pin. As this is the spring retainer. That's it on the spring guide. Now you can see all the part how it was assembled. Case nut, nozzle, stop spacer, spring seat, then spring, then spring retainer, then spring guide. This is the valve body. So you can see how the nozzle should be. If the needle goes in the nozzle very quickly, or if it is going it is not going at all, it is if it is stuck, then you need to change the nozzle. It should go very slowly like what you are seeing here. Now we will assemble fuel valve. I will show you how the lapping should be done. It should be done by making a figure of 8 with the use of very fine paste with a rating more than 1500. It should not be rubbed to and fro. It should be making figure of 8. If we rub to and fro, then uh, there is a chances of uneven lapping. Put the spacer, then the spring guide, and put the spring retainer. Make sure it sit properly on the spring guide. Put the spring, put locating pin, put the spring seat, pull the wall stop spacer. Make sure it should sit properly. There should not be any gap between the body and the wall stop spacer. Use the clean cloth, or better you can use the paper napkin, clean paper napkin, to clean the surface, because if there is any small particle left between the spacer or the wall body or the nozzle, there may be chances of leakage. Same way we can lap the nozzle with the stop spacer. Clean properly with the cloth or the paper napkin. Put the locating pin. Put the needle in the nozzle. Use the high temperature anti-seed like molycot or copper slip. Put the nozzle. Make sure there is no gap between the nozzle and the valve stop spacer. Put the case nut back. This case nut is tightened with the torque, and torque depend on engine to engine. In our case, the torque is between 162 to 172. So we have tightened with the torque spanner. Now we will test. First, we need to purge the line. Pump with the help of hand only, and make sure the oil is coming from the valve. When purging is done, tighten the nut. Then with the bar we can see the pressure. We can adjust the opening pressure by the pressure adjusting nut. Please refer manual for the adjustment of pressure, that how much pressure we should adjust depend on engine to engine. So Always refer manual for that. So we have seen proper atomization, proper spray we can see, opening pressure we have adjusted, and check there should be no leak of oil. There should no oil coming uh, at the space where the spring guide is situated. If there is any leak between the wall stop spacer or the wall body, then the oil will come out from the space where the spring guide is situated. Now we see there is no leak and pressure is adjusted. So finally we will lock the adjusting nut with the lock nut.